Snowman. Today we're going to draw Olaf.
That's right, it is winter time now and we're going to draw our favorite snowman, which is Olaf from Frozen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we really like Olaf.
Yeah.
So what do we need? We need our Sharpies
and our paper
and our alcohol markers. We're using our alcohol markers, but you can always use whatever you like to draw with.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Boom, let's go. High five. There we go. All right, let's start our Olaf. All right. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw Olaf's head first here at the top. And we're going to start with just the sides of his head, because he's got a big smiley mouth. So let's start over here. And we're going to go a little bit lower. We're going to go down like that. So just a line coming slightly inside. A little bit lower. A little bit, yeah, there we go. You can do, and a little bit, and we can start about here. That's right.
Little curve.
Little curve, that's right. Very good, I like it, very nice. Now we are gonna draw on the other side, one coming down, and this one's a little bit more straight in the middle. So we're gonna draw it down to about there.
So we start here.
A little bit more out, there we go. And you can draw maybe a reference point here, and you can join from there. Very good. Okay, and then on the top sides, we're going to draw a little curve that comes in on either side, coming in towards each other, but just a little bit. And that's going to be kind of where his cheeks are, with his big smile. Very good, I like it. And now we're going to draw the top part of his head.
Where his hair is.
Where his hair is, his little sticks. All right, so we're going to draw a line that comes up like that. It comes inside just a little bit, maybe to about there.
The other one.
A little bit more there. You like reference points, very good. That's it. And the other one. And I'm going to do mine too. Very good. And then I'm just going to make that one a bit longer. And now we're going to join them at the top with a little bit of a curve. Just like that. Very nice. Okay, what should we do next? I think we should do his nose.
Yeah.
And what did he have for his nose?
Carrot.
A carrot, that's right.
Like very light.
Yeah. So we're going to draw kind of like a sad smile. A sad face, sad mouth. Just in the middle, and it's going to go like that. A little bit higher. There we go. Very good. And then we're going to draw kind of like a V. Like a point like that. Very good. Now let's do his
and mouth.
Yeah, kind of looks like that. We're gonna do his eyes, so big circles, but we're gonna join them to his nose, which is the carrot. So we're gonna draw a nice big circle like that for his left eye. Yep. Very good. And then let's do his right eye. Very good. And then let's do his...
them the same.
Yeah, that's right. We try to do them the same. And then let's do his eyebrows. It's just a line on top of each eye like that.
Little curve.
Little curve. A little bit higher from this side to there. Alright, and let's draw his middle part of his eye.
Yeah, black.
Like that. Black dot. Big black dot. You're doing very well. I like it. Okay. And now, from where his cheeks are, we're going to draw two lines that come inside a little bit. So they're going to go like that. 1 and 2. So a little bit more to the corner. Yeah, and it comes in. That's it. Perfect. And the same one there. Very good. And then we're going to join these two together with a slightly more straight one, but we can round them to join each other. Oh, well, good job. This is a tricky one. Good job. And let's draw his teeth. So we're going to draw two lines that come down. Just like that. Another one. That's it. And then let's join these two at the bottom. Very nice, happy smile. And now we're going to draw his big mouth. I'm going to just make this a little bit longer for me. That's all right. Yours is fine. I was just making correcting mine. Now we're gonna draw kind of like a big V, but it's gonna be rounded at the bottom. So we're gonna draw a line that comes down and round. You can do that.
Here.
Yep. And you're gonna draw
Stop here.
a little bit lower, about there. Remember to try just round it a little bit at the bottom, kind of like mine. Almost like a J facing the wrong way. That's good, and then you can come back up to there.
To there.
Yep. Good job. And what does he have for his hair?
Stick.
Sticks. So let's draw some sticks. So we can draw some sticks that come out. Sticks have a funny, like, sharp edges, don't they? So we don't have to draw ours exactly the same. We can draw some sticks coming out. Like that. Very good. Keep carrying going. I like it. Very good job. That's it. Good job. Yeah. Awesome work. Hey, high five for your sticks. That's great. Okay, now we're going to draw his chest. We're going to draw a little line at the bottom to join these two together. So that's the top part of Olaf. Very good.
Now we're going to draw his body.
That's right. We're going to draw his body, and this is going to be the top half of his body. And we're kind of going to draw like the letter C. Kind of like the letter C. It comes out and back in like that.
We stop here.
Yep.
And we start here.
Yeah. Perfect. And then we can try and draw the same shape on the opposite side.
Facing the wrong way, right?
Facing the wrong way. That's right. You got it.
Stop here.
That's right.
Start here.
Yep. Good job. And then can we join these two at the bottom? Just join them. There we go. Good job. And now let's draw.
He's drawn like a shirt on him.
It's like a shirt on him. That's right. All right. The next one is the lower part, and that's kind of like the one we did before. Also kind of like the letter C. And you can start here and end maybe there. And we can go out that way. Wow, he's got a big round one.
Yeah.
Very good. And then we try to draw the same on the other side, facing opposite
Like
way.
a circle.
Yeah, kind of. Mine's a little bit more flat though.
Yeah. Stop here.
Yep,
Start here.
that's right. Good job. And then what do we do next?
Hit. Connect it.
Connect it. That's right. Let's connect our Olaf. And now let's draw Olaf's feet. And they're going to be like two round ones. Kind of like this one over here, but a smaller one here at the bottom. So I'm going to actually start with the line in the middle. And do like that. Kind of like an L in the middle. Try it. Look for the middle part. There it is. Very good. And then I'm going to make it a bit more flat. There you go. And then let's bring it back up. Good job. And then let's do on the other side. We're going to draw the same thing.
Here.
Yeah. You're doing very good. That's it. Good job. I like it. Okay, let's draw Olaf's arms. You ready for it? And those are sticks again.
Yeah.
So let's draw a line that comes a little bit out, but going slightly down. We're going to draw a line like this. Like that.
Here.
A little bit lower. There you go.
And we stop here.
Yes. Good job. Yeah. Good job. And then let's draw the same line just under that. But you don't have to connect this one. Just draw it. Yeah, that's it. And then we're going to draw it coming off at a little bit of an angle now. Like that. So you can cut it down a little bit. And then other one down a little bit. Very good. And let's draw his little fingers and like this. So I'm just going to give him... I'm just going to give him 4 fingers. Like that. Oh, I've drawn quite a long arm. That's it. You can give him 3 if you want.
I'm gonna give him 5.
Wow, you're gonna give him 5? All the fingers. Good job. I like it. Very good. That's excellent. All right, now let's draw one coming up like he's waving. So we're gonna draw up this way, and just like the other side, we're gonna draw his first part of his arm with 2 lines. That's it. Very good. So try to keep them the same distance apart. And then we can draw another part. I'm gonna make mine a little bit shaky, kind of like a stick. Very good. And then we can draw his fingers again.
Yeah.
So I'll draw one, and then I go behind that one. Very good. Now I think we're missing one thing. What do you think it is?
The circles.
There is buttons. That's right. And we're going to draw rocks for circles.
Yeah.
These will be easy. It's just a circle in the middle. But we can kind of make it a rough shape. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle because rocks have funny shapes.
Yeah.
So you can draw that one there. I'm going to draw the next one. The middle one can be a bit bigger. There we go. Good job. And then right under that, maybe a little bit more this side. Good job. I'm just going to add a detail on my carrot here for his nose.
I'm going to do a little.
Good job. We have done a wonderful Olaf. You've done a great job. Do you like it?
Yes.
Good. And we're going to do our favorite thing now, which is?
Coloring.
We're going to color, and we're going to fast forward through our coloring. So you can always pause it to catch up and see what colors we use. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's color Olaf. Well done. Well done, Summer. You have drawn a wonderful Olaf. What do you think?
Yeah.
Great. And we decorated ours with snow. We decorated ours with snow because there's not too much to color with Olaf because he's a nice white snowman. But you did a great job. Well done. High five. Excellent. I'm sure your Olafs were just as good. Thanks for watching the video. If you like our drawings, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye everyone. Well
High five with you.
High five with you. And you. And you. And Olaf.